Hello, Dr. Berg here. We're going to talk about the low-fat diet to prevent gallstones myth. There's this rumor going around that if you have gallstones, you need to be on a low-fat diet because high saturated fats cause gallstones. That's absolutely not true. Let's talk about some actual facts. What triggers bile release, which bile is the stuff the gallbladder stores that comes out of the gallbladder to help you digest. What triggers the bile release is saturated fats. So saturated fats release bile from the gallbladder. That is the main trigger, okay? Number two, bile salts dissolves gallstones. Okay, I'll put a link down below for more information on that. But yeah, when you take bile salts, that actually helps dissolve gallstones. Gallstones are a bile deficiency. That's why you get them. Okay, does that make sense? That's what causes them. You have this super saturation of cholesterol that makes the stone because there's not enough bile. Okay? So number four, high insulin can deplete bile. Other things can do it too, like high estrogen, birth control pills, being pregnant. That's why a lot of times women get that. But a lot of diabetics get gallstones because they have high insulin. But high insulin from insulin resistance is the number one cause, from my viewpoint, that depletes your bile that causes the stones. Now, should you be a vegan or should you be a meat eater? Well, it really depends. If you're a vegan that's eating a lot of grains and sugar, you're going to get gallstones because you're going to have high insulin. If you're a meat eater that eats a lot of grains and sugar, you're going to have high insulin and you're going to deplete your bile and get gallstones. So it really is the absence of the sugar and keeping your estrogen down or normal, then you'll be safe. So the real problem is not too much fat. It's not enough bile. And that's why sometimes even vegans that go no saturated fats, they don't produce a lot of bile and they can end up having problems with the gallbladder. Not all of them, some of them. But same thing with meat eaters, depending on what they're consuming. If they're not having enough vegetables and they're adding sugar and grains, they're going to create a problem. Okay, thanks for watching. Put your comments down below. Hey, you probably already subscribed, but if you haven't, press this little button down below and I will keep you updated.